all people, YouTubers, DIY builders. So this is what we've got done on the shed this afternoon. The bases and what have you. Found this man at the bottom of the garden with his bucket, collecting cement. Oh yeah, this is what we've got done. Got to come out yet and be treated the wood, put posts and things, and I finish this bit off over there. We found gold.
All systems go for tomorrow.
Yep. Got that locked down. We'll start doing the sides then. Don't put it down there. Don't put it down there.
Why not? It's a drain.
It's cement. What?
Water.
Cement. What
Some water.
will it do? Put it up there. Believe me. My days. I don't know. Some people. Oh yeah, these are a couple of conifers and things in here. Plants down there, but throw a load of soil on them. Be like that for next year. Tip it.
Possible.
Yeah, like put it in that little thing there.
With
Be
the
like
flag
that.
wood.
Yeah, I'd have this broken flag what I pulled up. What I broke. So yes, folks. Swearing. Just put it in there. Will you shut up? But you want to pour it down my drain and block my drain up, but you won't pour it in there. Pour it in there, shut up. Sorry about that, YouTubers. Just pour it in so it don't flow everywhere. The bucket's still not clean. Oh my gosh. Why don't you put water in it? Yeah, so anyway. Or anyways. That's it for like, you see this robin? There's a bird over there. A robin. Since we've been doing this garden, it's been there. Been right at the side of me, do you know what I mean? Like, stop, don't throw out. If you can see it, I can see it. It's on that, look, put it there. I don't know if you can see it, no? But yeah, anyway, so this is tomorrow's job now. I've got to order the wood for the sides. Ordered him a new brain. So yeah, there it is there, look. There's loads of frogs underneath here before as well. So, right, okay, that's it. Ciao, till next time.